Are you looking for a bright smile with naturally white teeth? Look no further. You need the Cavex Bite&White Impact Kit. The easy-to-use, do-it-yourself Impact Kit is the ultimate whitening solution suitable for everyone. Make your own personal whitening trays. Perfectly adjust them to your teeth. Now apply the revolutionary whitening gel and wear the trays for just 30 minutes. You are in control. Use the kit daily until you achieve the white teeth you desire. The Cavex Bite&White Impact Kit contains enough whitening gel for about 20 whitening sessions and a unique thermoforming whitening tray that can be easily formed for a perfect fit. Ease of use and satisfaction are guaranteed, as are brighter, white teeth. Cavex Bite&White Impact Kit, a complete, do-it-yourself professional home whitening kit. European top-quality product. Unrivaled value for money. Only 30 minutes per day for a long-lasting whitening result. You are in control. Cavex Bite&White Impact Kit. Because your smile deserves to make an impact. Your impression is our specialty.